Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Typeform for lead capture to HubSpot step by step clearly. To authenticate Typeform for lead capture to HubSpot, begin by logging into your Typeform account. Navigate to the Connect panel on the left side of your dashboard. Click on Integrations to access available options. Search for HubSpot in the Integrations list. Select the HubSpot integration option. Click the Connect button to initiate the authentication process. You will be prompted to log into your HubSpot account. Enter your HubSpot credentials and authorize the connection. Once authenticated, you will return to the Typeform integrations page. Now, select the Typeform you wish to connect to HubSpot. Click on Create HubSpot Lead in the integration options. Map the fields from your Typeform to the appropriate fields in HubSpot. Ensure that you match essential fields like name, email, and phone number. After mapping the fields, click Save to finalize the integration. Test your Typeform to confirm that leads are being captured in HubSpot. Monitor HubSpot to ensure that the leads appear as expected. With these steps completed, your Typeform is now successfully authenticated for lead capture to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.